This tiny Japanese camper has everything you need and costs less to run than your daily driver. Today, we're diving into one of the most impressive micro campers Japan has ever produced. It's compact, stylish, insanely well designed, and honestly, way more capable than you'd ever expect from something this size. This is the JP Star Happy One Plus, built on the Daihatsu Hijet truck base, and once you see how much is packed inside this little box on wheels, you'll understand why it's become a fan favorite in Japan's booming K-camper scene. At first glance, you might think this is just another tiny K-truck with a square camper shell on the back. But the second you walk around it, you realize this is a proper micro motorhome engineered with precision. It sleeps 4, drives like a small city car, fits in normal parking spaces, sips fuel like a motorcycle, and still gives you all the essential comforts of a full-size RV. Let's start with the exterior. The JP Star Happy One Plus has this adorable blend of rounded and square design elements, giving it a charming, squirrel-like shape. It's just 3,790 millimeters long, around 12.4 feet, a width of about 5.5 feet, and a height of roughly 8.1 feet. So yes, tiny, but surprisingly tall on the inside. Because it's built on a Daihatsu Hijet, you get all the benefits of a K-truck: tight turning radius, easy maneuverability, and phenomenal fuel efficiency. This thing is made for narrow Japanese streets, tight parking garages, and tiny campsites where full-size RVs simply don't fit. If driving big RVs feels intimidating, this camper is the complete opposite. It's stress-free. On the rear side, JP Star included a clever exterior side opener. This gives you access to the underseat storage from the outside. It's perfect for longer items: camping chairs, fishing rods, tripods, even umbrellas. You don't need to open the whole camper just to grab gear. There's also a single maintenance panel on the exterior, and I absolutely love this. Everything is organized neatly in one spot: the water inlet, the shower connection, and the FF heater fuel inlet. Most RVs scatter these all over the place, but not here. One door, everything inside. Easy. The model in this video also has solar panels, a sub-battery system, an inverter, external charging capability, and wide tire alloy wheels, giving it a sportier and more stable look. For a micro camper, this thing is seriously well equipped. Now let's head inside, because the interior is where this camper really shines. The moment you step in, you get hit with a warm, cozy cabin vibe. The pinewood accents make it feel like a tiny Scandinavian-style cottage on wheels. Light, natural, and inviting. The main living space features a versatile dinette area. You get a table, cup holders, and cushioned bench seats that comfortably fit multiple people. Whether you're eating, working, or planning your next adventure, this little space genuinely feels like home. But here's the magic trick. This dinette converts into a flatbed in around 10 seconds. No tools. No frustration. Just move the table, slide the cushions, and boom, you've got a bed ready to go. For such a small camper, that's a massive win. Above, you have the pull-out over cab bed, what JP Star calls the bank bed. This upper bunk can support 2 adults. Combined with the lower bed, the total sleeping capacity is 4 people. 4. Inside a camper barely larger than a normal car. Storage is also surprisingly generous. You have upper cabinets lining the walls, perfectly sized for clothes, food, gadgets, and gear. Japanese design emphasizes organization, and you can tell a lot of thought went into where every little item would go. Let's talk amenities. Most units come with a fridge or cooler, and some include a small sink depending on the option package. Combined with the sub-battery and inverter, you can run the essentials without needing external power all the time. Comfort-wise, this camper is shockingly well equipped. You get full insulation, which is rare for small RVs. There's floor heating to keep your feet warm during cold nights. And the FF heater, a diesel-powered unit, keeps the entire cabin warm without draining your batteries. This makes the Happy One Plus an excellent winter camper. Airflow and lighting inside are fantastic. Windows on every side, plus optional roof vents, allow you to bring in fresh air and natural sunlight. When parked by the ocean, in the mountains, or near a forest, this camper gives you a full 360-degree view. And even though it's compact, it never feels cramped. The vertical layout and smart design give you actual breathing room. You can sit, eat, work, relax, and sleep without bumping into everything. They used every inch wisely. Now, because this camper is built on the Daihatsu Hijet platform, reliability is one of its biggest strengths. The Hijet is known across Japan as one of the toughest and longest-lasting K-trucks. Parts are cheap, maintenance is simple, and the engines just keep going. If you want an RV that won't break the bank, this is a solid choice. Driving the Happy One Plus is one of its best experiences. It feels light, easy, and incredibly maneuverable. No fear of tight turns, alleyways, or crowded areas. It's basically a tiny house attached to a city-friendly mini truck. And the fuel efficiency is unbeatable. You can travel the entire day and still use less fuel than many normal cars. Imagine this. You're driving along a coastal highway, you spot a beautiful viewpoint, you pull over, no huge parking space needed. Open the side awning, set up chairs, make a quick snack, and enjoy the scenery. Later at night, you convert the seats into a bed in seconds, climb up into the loft, and relax under soft cabin lighting. It's peaceful, simple, and comfortable. If you're someone who loves road trips, photography, content creation, or just the freedom of spontaneous travel, this camper turns every journey into an adventure. Even city driving becomes fun. Now let's talk real-world practicality. Is the JP Star Happy One Plus perfect? Not exactly, but it comes close for its size. If you're used to giant Class A motorhomes with full bathrooms and big kitchens, this will feel minimal. But that's the whole charm. It's the definition of small but smart. It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, and small families. Realistically, for adults will fit for sleeping, but 2 adults and 2 kids is the sweet spot. The biggest advantage is how quickly you can switch modes, dinette to bed, bed to storage, storage to workspace. Everything transforms in seconds. And even after spending hours inside, you never feel suffocated. The windows, the height, the cozy wooden textures, they keep the environment comfortable and enjoyable. When it comes to value, the JP Star Happy One Plus is one of the most budget-friendly campers you can maintain. Fuel, maintenance, storage, it all costs less than owning most daily cars. That's what makes the hook true. This camper literally costs less to run than many everyday vehicles. Buying one new is rare because most are available as used units from Japan's K-RV specialist dealers. But that's not a bad thing. Used K-campers are usually well-maintained and often come with upgrades like solar panels, awnings, and interior customization. Stealth camping? Easy. City travel? No problem. Off-grid trips? Absolutely possible with the solar plus battery setup. Everyday use? Better than most vans because of its small footprint. And let's be honest, this camper has personality. It's cute, practical, and charming enough to get attention wherever you go. If you're filming YouTube videos or Instagram content, it's a natural attention grabber. So that wraps up our full tour of the JP Star Happy One Plus, the tiny Japanese camper that proves size isn't everything. It's efficient, functional, stylish, and incredibly fun. Whether you're planning to buy one or you're just fascinated by Japan's micro-camper culture, I hope this tour gave you a deeper look into why these K-campers are exploding in popularity. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and make sure you subscribe for more unique camper tours, RV reviews, and travel inspiration. I've got plenty more coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.